Welcome to our newest listing, everybody. We are at 12568 West Chucks. This is called Vistancia. It's a master plan community that's been top rated for many years within the last decade. And if you're looking for the nice community amenities, this is the place for you. You're gonna have a golf course, you're gonna have clubhouse, you're gonna have pools, you're gonna have new shopping centers that are actually gonna be created here. We also have a Fry's Marketplace. If you're not familiar with Fry's, you're not from this area, you're gonna love Fry's Marketplace because that's gonna be definitely a place where you wanna do a lot of your shopping and have a wonderful experience with your entire family. Now here behind us, we have a 4-bedroom, 2-bath with 2,200 square feet. And if you're looking for a good sized home to start with your family, this can definitely be the house for you. Follow me on the inside. All right, welcome to the interior, everybody. Like we've expressed before, we are a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. We're at 2,200 square feet. As soon as you walk in, you're gonna be greeted with this wonderful entertainment area. This is plenty of space where you can have family night. You can have a good time. You can actually put your huge sectional, your large sofa here. This is where I see a lot of families really get to bond and make some wonderful memories. And it's really exciting to see if you're looking to establish a family here or even grow or expand your family. As you come in here, you'll see their kitchen. They did upgrade their countertops here as well. It's a really good space that actually flows into the dining. It also flows into the living room. And speaking of that area, plenty of room for if you want to put your 65, your 75, or your 80-inch TV set here. And what I love most about this property is actually its lot size. Come take a look. Here we're sitting on just shy of an 8,000 square foot lot. This is wonderful for entertaining. If you want to have your family over, if you want to have barbecues, if you want to throw the baseball with your son, or even throw the football, this is definitely a wonderful lot size to do for it, and it's a single story. Usually you don't get these size lots here within Peoria, Arizona, because a lot of builders are trying to cram all of these homes in. So having 8,000 square feet where you can enjoy the actual yard with family is going to be a huge bonus for you. All right, guys, as you follow me back into the interior, we're going to show you the master bedroom. Here you have a wonderful size area, plenty of size for you can actually put your king or your Cali King. A wonderful natural light that actually comes from the outside. You also have another door right here if you want to have exit to the actual backyard. As you come through this way, you're going to see that we have our master bathroom here. We have our double vanity, which is always a must, especially if your wife likes to take over your area as well. You have your separate tub, you have your separate shower, and you also have your wonderful walk-in closet. Now, if you follow me, I'm going to take you over to the other side of the house, and we're going to show you the other bedrooms and the guest bathroom. Okay, now we're going to follow me to the other side of the house. Just right off of the kitchen, you're going to have your access to your laundry room. It's always going to have access to your garage here. Here we have a nice coat closet as well. And then you're going to see over here, we have guest bedroom 1. If you're having little ones or you need plenty of space, this is definitely going to be the home for you, because we also have guest bedroom 2. And then we also have guest bedroom 3. And this one also does have another walk-in closet here as well. So again, plenty of wonderful space for you and the family, and beautiful guest bathroom here as well. Dual vanities right here. You also have another vanity right here. An amazing space for you and the family. So if you're interested or you're curious about living in the Vistancia area, again, the main attraction not only is just beautiful home, but you get all of the community amenities. You're gonna have the pool, you're gonna have the golf course, you're gonna have the community center. Everything that's gonna give you a real wonderful neighborhood family feel is gonna be here in this home. But you know what's really amazing? If you want to stay connected, you want to know exactly all the wonderful communities that are coming in Phoenix, Scottsdale, Peoria, and all the greater areas, make sure to hit that subscribe button, guys. We want to make sure we give you tons of information, and we want to stay connected with you, so make sure to hit the button, and we'll keep you informed. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you are interested in this home, again, we are 12568 West Chucks in Peoria, Arizona. We're priced at $550,000. If you're looking for homes like this or even similar in this area, please reach out to me. You'll have all of my information in the description below, and we can't wait to see you on the inside.